As I was late to join the class.
Beta, we have not started anything. I am going to share the next question. You all need to note down the question.
Sort of ranking.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me the last question which you have written?
Sir, we have written the last question, that is
That
rank
ranked ninth
19
top
from the
and
top and
38
38 from the
from
bottom
the
in the
bottom.
class.
Okay.
How many
How
students
many
are there?
students are there in the class?
Okay. 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 So the next question is, I will share my screen. Okay. This is it. Can you all see the question on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Give your answer in the chat box and also note down the question in your copies.
Sir sent.
Very good.
Sir sent.
Okay.
Sir sent.
Okay.
Sir, when I am sending the answer in the chat box, it is written as that you are not in the meeting.
Huh?
Sir, when I am
Better try again. Try again.
so now it's goes.
Sir sent.
Okay, very
Sir, I
good.
have sent the answer.
Okay, so let us discuss the question. A class of boys stands in a single line. One boy is 19th in order from both the ends. 19th from both the ends. How many boys are there in the class? So it is a very simple one. Okay. I hope you all have written the question in your copies also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Someone is still writing. The strength is still uh, less as compared to daily, whatever it is. In the morning class, the students join late in the first period.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I will discuss the question with you all. So a boy is, let us name the boy as A. This is the boy.
Sir, can you please repeat the
Sorry.
Sir, can you please share the screen for a minute?
Take a screenshot. Okay. If you are, if you have not written it, take a screenshot quickly. Done. Done.
Sir, just please wait. Sir, please wait.
Take a screenshot, beta. Take a screenshot. Taken?
Yes, sir, taken.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing.
That is why I was saying.
Okay, so now there is a boy named A. He's at the 19th position from the left as well as from the right. So from both the sides, his position is 19. From here also it is 19. So that means before A there are 18 boys sitting towards the left of A, and there are 18 boys towards the right of A also. Okay. इधर भी 18 है उधर भी 18 है. So that means 18 plus 18, and you will count this boy also, the one who we about whom we are talking. 18 plus 18 plus 1, the answer is 37. 37 is the answer. I hope everyone has done it correctly. Let's see.
Sir, mine is correct.
Sir, I was asking that, sir, what was the answer of third one?
What was the answer of
Third one.
third one? I don't know what was the third question. Sam,
My answer was 34. Sanjeev ranked 7th from the top and 28th from the bottom. In the class, how many students are in total?
I don't know what was the question, beta.
Sir, the answer of third question is 46.
46.
Yes, 46 is the answer of the third one. This one, the answer is 37. Now let me tell you who's
Thank you.
Adhiraj is the first one to give the correct answer. Then it is Ishika. Then third is Karan. Fourth is Hargun. Very good. Fifth is Vivan. Sixth is Karthik. Seventh is Rishika. Eighth is Nandini. Ninth is Abhay Rana. And 10th is Karamjeet. So these students have given the correct answer. Next question, ready? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here it is. Start doing. Done, all of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute. I am writing option.
Okay.
Sir, sended.
Okay, done, all of you. Now I'm going to stop sharing.
Sir, I have done.
Yes, sir, done. Yes, sir, done.
Okay, the question is Rajan is 6 from the left and from the left end, and Vinay is 10th from the right end in a row of boys. If there are 8 boys between Rajan and Vinay, how many boys are there in the row? Okay, let's see. What are the positions? 6 from the left, Rajan, and 10th from the right, Vinay,
10th from
and
the
8 boys in between. Okay.
Sir, who was the first to answer?
Sorry.
Sir, he is saying who was the first
Let
one
me
to
tell you the
answer.
answer first. Let me tell you the answer first. Then I will tell you. Rajan is 6 from the left. Vinay is 10th from the right side. We start counting from the right. Vinay is 10th. If we start counting from the left, Rajan is 6th. Between Rajan and Vinay, there are 8 students. Okay. 8 students are there between Rajan and Vinay. So if we include Rajan, अगर Rajan को count करेंगे तो then there are 6. यहाँ तक कितने? There are 6. Okay. And if we start counting from the right and we include, if we count Vinay also, then there are 10 from the right here, and plus 8 students in between. So 6 plus 10 plus 8, sorry. 6 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 24. 24 is the answer. So 24 is the answer. And let's discuss. Let me tell you the places. Atish is first. Then there are few wrong answers also. Second is Mridul, who has given the correct answer. Then the third one to give the correct answer is Adhiraj. Then there is Vivan. Then Karan. Then Anshika. Then Nandini. Only these. So these students have given the correct answer. Very good, all of you. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes,
Ready?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I hope now you will give the correct answer of this one. Everyone. Have you all understood this? Or do I need to explain this again?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood.
Everyone? Any doubt, anyone in this?
Sir, I have done with this formula. Sir, 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 2.
Very good. That is also correct.
Sir, I have also done like
I have done with the same method.
That
Five
is
plus
also.
8 plus 9 is 2.
क्या खा रहा है विवान? खाते खाते बोल रहा है.
Oh, yes, sir, I am eating.
What are you eating? First tell me what are you eating. If it is a good dish, then
Sandwiches.
maybe I will not scold you. If it is not a good dish, if I don't like it, then I will scold you. Tell me.
So, tomato sandwiches.
टोमेटो सैंडविच. सुबह सुबह टोमेटो सैंडविच इतनी अच्छी टेस्टी चीज खा रहे हो अकेले अकेले बैठ के.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो थोड़ा सा व्हाट्सएप से भेज ही सकते हो
Sir,
मेरे.
it's actually.
हाँ. Can't you send it through WhatsApp for me? Okay, बेटा मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा seriously are you sending it?
Sir, what to send?
Nothing.
What, sir?
Nothing. Okay. Next question. Ready? Any
Sir,
doubt?
how many questions are there?
As many as you
Yes,
want.
sir.
So this one is clear. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next question will be the sixth question.
Okay, this is the next. Today I think I have 3 periods in your class.
Yes, sir. Sir, send the answer in the chat box.
Sir, I also sent the answer.
Hmm. As I told you yesterday also, it is more important to give the correct answer than to give a wrong answer in hurry. Okay? You should not give a wrong answer in hurry. If you are giving your answer late, but it should be correct. If it is the correct answer, doesn't matter if you are giving it early or late. Okay? Giving the answer correctly is more important. I hope you understand. Take your time.
Sorry, sir, I was disconnected.
Okay. I have shared the question. You can start doing it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing it now.
Sir, I was on 17.
Sorry.
Sir, I was writing the question.
Beta, I'm going to share it and you take a screenshot quickly. Take a screenshot.
Okay, sir. Sir, taken.
Hmm. Okay, so the answer is same type of question it is. Okay, exactly same type of question. So 14th rank, P is sitting 14th from the left end, Q is sitting 17th from the right end, 14 plus 17. And between P and Q, there are 4 boys, so plus 4 also. Okay, so this gives you 35 as the answer. 35.
Sir, is there a 35 option?
Sir, sir, 14 plus
It
7
is not
plus
17. It is 7.
Not 17, it was 7th.
Okay, I'm sorry, 17.
7.
Yes, sir, it was 7.
Yeah, it's 17.
I was
Sir, I
shocked.
got
How can
was
it
the
be
answer
35?
gone wrong?
I'm sorry. Sorry. By mistake, I read it 17. Sorry. So 14 plus 7 plus 4 is
25.
right. 25 is the answer. Now it is correct. By mistake, I read it 17. Okay.
Sir, my answer gone correct.
25 is the answer.
Sir, please tell who is the first to answer.
Sir, I also got it correct.
Sir, I think Atish should be first.
The first is sorry. और ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा मुझे फर्स्ट देखने के लिए. हाँ. At what time I shared this one? Yeah, the first one is Atish. Atish, देखिए आप कितना खुश है लड़का.
Sir, I
Atish,
told that Atish should be first.
Sir, my first one was wrong because in that I was to type 87, but by mistake I typed 9.
oh. So I think Atish is.
Sir, teacher was also 2 times first and sir, I was also 2 times first.
Very good. Atish, now
Sir,
you will get a prize for giving 2 correct answers. You will be ordering a pizza for me. That is your prize.
Sir, it is a prize or it is a order?
Punishment.
Okay. So second one is Mridul. Mridul will also get a prize. She is going to order 2 burgers for me from McD. Okay. Third is Hargun. Hargun is also going to get a prize. Hargun is going to order 2 ice creams for me. Very good. So top 3 are Atish, Mridul, and Hargun. They will get prizes. Have you all noted your prizes? क्या करना है आपको?
Sir, they have to give prizes.
Sir, it is a prize or it is an order?
This is a reward for them. They are going to order pizza for their teacher. Okay, so next one is Rishit. Fourth is Rishit, very good. Then fifth is Nandini, sixth is Vivan, seventh is Anshika, eighth is Karan, ninth is Unnati, 10th is Karthik. And Karanjit is asking, sir, what are we doing? Beta, we are doing questions on ranking, reasoning. So I will share the next question now.
Okay, sir.
So this is the next one. Yeah.
So where is it?
Do it quickly because not much time
Yes.
is left.
9.
Quickly do it.
Sir, I'm not able to understand this question.
Sir, this question is the easiest question for me, I think.
Hmm.
Sir,
Hmm.
send the answer in the
Hmm.
Sir, send the answer.
Sir, send the answer.
Very good.
Sir, send the answer.
Very good.
Sir, I also sent the answer.
Sir, I have also sent the answer.
sir, return the question.
Sir, send the answer.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to stop it now. The correct answer is Wednesday. Very easy to
Okay,
Sir,
say.
sir.
please. First, who is the first to answer?
अभी बताते हैं बेटा. So answer is Wednesday. Why? They are saying that day before yesterday it was Saturday. Day before
Yes, sir.
yesterday
So,
it was Saturday. That means what is there today? It is Monday today.
Monday.
Monday.
आज तो what day will be there? What day will be day after tomorrow? It will be Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes.
Tomorrow will be
Was
Tuesday
easy
and
to
day
say.
after tomorrow will be Wednesday.
Sir, day after tomorrow is Monday.
Sir,
Today,
please share this again. I will
in
take
actual, so day
screenshot.
after tomorrow it is Monday. But according to the question, the answer is Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Guys,
Sir, please tell who is the
saying to share the screen as she want to take the screenshot.
Okay. Next. Okay. The first one is just a minute, but I will share my screen. Let me first tell. First is Ishika. Second is Atish. Third is Rishika. Fourth is Vivan. And I am not able to understand. Some students have given wrong answers in this one also. You did it in a hurry, I think. All those who are giving wrong answers, you did it in a hurry. I told you do it accurately, not in less time. Try to improve your
What prize
accuracy.
you are giving to us?
Then next one is Karan. I will give you a prize, but I will give you a very grand prize. Just wait. So after that, it is Anshika. Then it is Mridul. Then Adhiraj. Then Arav. Then Karamjeet. First. So if someone wanted me to share the screen, yes, I'm going to share it now. Here it is. Take a screenshot. So Ishika, you are going to get a grand prize. You will give me a ride in your Mercedes Benz. Just a ride.
Okay, sir.
So you can bring your Mercedes Benz to.
Sir, I have taken the screenshot.
Very good.